Muli po, maraming salamat sa lahat. Unang-una sa ating Panginoon na iraos sa atin ng matagumpay ang ating tournament. To God be the glory. At sa ating organizer na si Sir Norlan Benviaje at sa Walter Mark Santa Maria, maraming salamat po. Okay, ito na po ang under 15 awardees for our top 10 with a score of 4.5 points and a superior tiebreak of 29.5 Bukol points from Santa Maria, Bulacan. Junicio Sian Joseph, top 10, 4.5 points out of 7 games. Yan po, ina-award po ni Sir Norlan Benviaje, kanyang prize, picture taking po. Sa gilid lang. Congratulations ulit, Sian. Keep up the good work. Okay, for our 9th place, again with 4.5 points out of 7 games, with a Bukol tiebreak of 30 points, Mendoza Jamir. 9th place. Congratulations, Mendoza Jamir Kyle from Santa Maria, Bulacan din. Talagang maraming magagaling sa Santa Maria, no? Okay, picture. Congratulations again, Jamir. Continue training. Okay, for our 8th place, also with 4.5 points, but with a superior Bukol's points of 33 points, Acosta Sean Kenneth of Caloocan. Dinayo pa tayo ng taga Caloocan, no? Yan, batang-bata, 12 years old lang yan, no? Pero lumalaban. Congratulations, Acosta Sean Kenneth. Congratulations again, Sean Kenneth Acosta. Okay, for our 7th place, with 5 points out of 7 rounds, and a Bukol points, tiebreak points of 25 points, Val Madrid Allen James. Congratulations, Val Madrid Allen James, ang Baliwag, Bulacan. Grabe, lalayo, no? Congratulations, Val Madrid Allen James. Okay, thank you. Congrats again. Okay, for our 6th place, also with 5 points, but with a 31 Bukol points, Simon Jes Contreras of La Salette. Taga Santa Maria rin po yan, alam ko, tama. Congratulations, Simon Jes. Siya yung naka-million views sa kay Mobile Chess Club na video. Siya yun. 5th place na. 5th place. 5th na, 5th. 5th place with 5.5 points and 28.5 Bukol points from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Vito Cruz, Cruz Edward. Ang ating binibini sa mga kalalakihan. Magaling na chess player. Mula sa pamilya na mga magagaling mag-chess. Pereña at Vito Cruz. Congratulations again, Cruz Edward. Okay. For our fourth place, also with 5.5 points, but with superior vocals of 29.5. Fourth place goes to Australia, Randy Johan. Okay? Si Australia Johan. Quezon City. Hindi tama, layo. Okay, thank you. Congrats, Johan. Now, for our third place, with 5.5 points, actually, tie sila nung nag-second sa vocals. Sa SB sila nagkatalo, no? 22.25 ang SB niya. Third place goes to Azuela David Leonard from Gumaok, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, and a player of Las Piñas Perpetual, Altas. Grade 9 na po siya, 14 years old. Congrats again, Dave. Okay. For our second place, eto, 5.5 din siya, pero gaya nga sabi ko, yung SB niya mas mataas sa nag-third. For our second place, Galicia Yumir Isaac from Bulacan to, si Yumir eh. I don't know kung saan. Paumbong, no? Meron pa sa Paumbong, no? Paumbong, Bulacan. Second place. And syempre, ang pinakahihintay ng lahat, ang nagwagi sa mga magagaling maglaro ng aheadress. With 6.5 points, 6 na panalo, 1 tabla lang ang binigay sa mga kalaban. Champion, Mahawan Cyrus Luis of Graceville, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Congratulations, Cyrus. Pang-apat niya na po na champion sa buwan na to. Kwentahin na lang natin kung magkano na panalunan niya. Congratulations, Cyrus. And for our final picture taking na mga nagkampiyon, sa gitna ka, Cyrus. Then sa kanan niya si Dave, yung third. Kaliwa yung nag-second. Okay, once again, congratulations sa mga magagaling nating first, second, and third placers.